a-liff, a-liff. It's a, close to a. I am going to give you an example in a word. The first example will be أنا, أنا, and it's mean I in English, I, أنا, أنا. The second example is أسد, أسد, and it's mean lion, أسد, a. And the last example is my name, أكرم, أكرم, a. And that was the first letter, a-liff. Now, the second letter, b, and it's pronounced in the word b, like building, building. I give you examples, and the first example is babon, and it means door. Babon, 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 door. And the second example is baladon, 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 and it's mean country. Baladon. And the last example is بيت, بيت, and it's mean house. بيت. And now with the third letter. The third letter is ت, ت, ت. And I give you examples. The first example is تلفزيون, تلفزيون, and it's mean TV. تلفزيون. And the second example is تفاحة, تفاحة, and it's mean apple. تفاحة. And the last example is تجربة, تجربة, and it's mean experience. تجربة. And the fourth letter is th, th. It's like Thunderlord, Thunderlord. It's th, th. I give you examples. The first example is ثلج, ثلج, and it's mean ice. ثلج. And the second example is ثقافة, ثقافة, and it's mean culture. ثقافة. And the last example is ثعلب, ثعلب, and it's mean fox. ثعلب. The letter number 5 is j-eem, j-eem. I give you examples. The first example is جبل, جبل. It's mean mountain. جبل. The second example is جدار, جدار, and it's mean wall. جدار. And the last example is جيد, جيد, and it's mean good. جيد. And the letter number 6 is ح, ح. The first example is حرف, حرف, and it's mean letter. حرف. The second example is حلم, حلم, and it's mean dream. حلم. The last example is حياة, حياة, and it's mean life. حياة. The letter number 7 is خاء, خاء, خاء. The first example is خبز, خبز, and it's mean bread. خبز. The second example is خطوة, خطوة, and it's mean step. خطوة. And the last example is خشب, خشب, and it's mean wood. خشب.